Hello everyone, welcome to my kitten video update. These guys are 2 weeks old now. Yeah, they're starting to get wandering. Curious about things going on. Of course, Xena gets in the way. Try to take all the stuff. Yeah. So cute. Said there are 3 females and 1 male. They're still trying to get the walking thing down. And again, I'm still trying to find a home. I still have him. At this point, I might be keeping him, but I still haven't posted up. He's 17 weeks now, so I'm gonna try to get him fixed here. So I'm gonna try to get him fixed in the next couple of months, if that's the case. So get him posted up on. I still got him posted up on Craigslist. So knocked it down to $25 for homing fee. He's trying to play with them. He's trying to play with them. Yeah. Yeah. Aw. How we doing, guys? Or gals, actually. One of the black ones is a male. I know that. I don't know which one, but they're gonna say trying to point up one of the black ones as a male, because there's 3 black kittens. One doesn't have a white spot on the chest. So when I looked at them, so there's a white one, a white spot. So it's not all. One of them's not all black. So. Trying to venture out now. Trying to get the lay of the land. Probably another week's time, they'll start coming out further and further. Looks like they're gonna be long-haired, medium long-haired. So I don't think we're gonna have any short hairs on this one, in this group of kittens. But it looks like. They're all fluffy. Hey, Xena. Mama kitty. Try to take care of babies very good. She's been doing very well. She's been supposed to do. Hit that like button, please. And that subscribe button. Alright, everyone. I think that's it. 10 minutes of this video. Everybody, appreciate everybody's watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification for future videos. Until next time, everyone. Thanks for watching.